So, how many words do you need to write in IELTS Writing Task 1 and Writing Task 2? Well, the answer is pretty simple, but there are some mistakes that a lot of students make. Let's have a look. When it comes to Task 1 in IELTS Writing, you need to write 150 words or more, and that includes academic and general training. When it comes to Task 2, you need to write 250 words or more, and again, that's the same for academic and general training. Now, you might be wondering where these numbers come from. Well, when you get your writing task questions, they will tell you. So for example, on this writing task 1 question, it says write at least 150 words. For this writing task 2 question, it says write at least 250 words. Now let's talk about a few common mistakes that students make with this. The first one is just not writing enough words. And this might be for a number of reasons, but the most common one is poor time management. Now, if you don't write enough words, this might lower your band score because you don't give enough detail and you don't describe or talk about everything that you need to. On the other hand, some students write too much for one task and then they run out of time and they don't have time to finish the other task. Another thing is, the more you write, the more chance you have to make mistakes. So considering all of these things, we recommend that you write approximately 200 words for task 1 and then about 300 words for task 2. Now, it really depends on the question, but the most important thing is that you write more than 150 for task 1 and 250 for task 2, and that you complete both tasks in the 1 hour.